I'm exposing a funding website that the gurus do not want you to know about. My name is credit coach Nicole Scott. Make sure to stick around for this entire video and watch the other videos where I talk about secret websites funding companies do not want you to know about because they want to charge you 10 to 15% to fill out an application for you and submit the application for you and take your money. You can do that on your own. You just need to know these tools. You need to know the basics. You need to have a credit score of at least 720 or above to maximize everything. And as long as you have a good game plan, you can book a call with me. I can provide you with a game plan, help you get funding ready. So that way, when you are ready to hit submit on those applications, we are ready to rock and roll. But if you are already ready to rock and roll, you have all of those check boxes kind of checked off. You've met with funding companies. You're like, I don't know if I want to pay 10%. You can totally do it yourself, okay? This website is called Bank Branch Locator. In my previous video, I went over another funding secret website. You got to watch it. I'll ping it below because that one has some really good data. And these are the websites that the funding companies are using to help you get the best and highest credit limits. Of course, it's mainly just credit cards, right? But credit cards are so entry level. They're so easy to apply for. They don't require documents. They don't require tax returns. They don't require anything but stated income. Now, when you get to lines of credit and loans, that's a different ball game. But credit cards, very entry level. As long as you manage those right, that's going to help you get to the next level. So Bank Branch Locator is going to help you locate banks that are in your area. The reason why I like to go to banks that are in your territory is because you're not going to be geographically restricted, and you got to learn how to spread your wings and spread the wealth and spread out your relationships with these banks. You do not need to just have one bank account. You need to spread the love, okay? Because every bank is going to be good for its own thing, right? Auto loans, maybe if you want a mortgage, maybe if you want this. If you didn't watch my video on the NACA program to buy a home, watch that video. I'll ping it below. Great video, great program, no money down, too good to be true, but it's true, okay? Federally funded, that's why. Okay, so Bank Branch Locator, say for example, you're like, hey, I want to find banks that are in my area that I can go to or that I can reach out to and figure out if they're going to be a good option for funding. And inside of my credit community, we go over a lot of this type of information, how to reach out, what questions to ask, best practices, where to find bankers, where to find relationship bankers, you know, and just all the stuff that you need to know, all right, before you go and apply for funding. You want to make sure your credit is fully optimized for funding, all right? If you don't know what that means, watch some of my other videos, join the credit community. We've got tons of videos on how to become funding ready, all right? You can also book a call with me one-on-one and we can talk about, you know, what you've got going on, what you are looking to do, and what you need to do to get there, all right? So say, for example, we're looking for banks that are simply in California, right? We're looking for California banks. We can select the area of the bank that you're looking for, what city you're looking for, right? But this is going to give you the list right here of the top 20 banks that are in California. And of course, you're going to see all these on your everyday street corner, but sometimes, you know, once you've gotten funds from all of these banks, it's time to find the other backyard banks that offer the real gems, the no document business lines of credit, the high limit credit cards. They're out there, but a lot of times nobody's talking about them. You're not going to find a video about them, and they're going to be a bank that you're going to need to find right in your backyard by doing your own due diligence. And then don't tell nobody about it but me. Okay, I'm not going to do a video about it, I promise. It's just good to share information so we can all help each other do the right thing. What happens is people get all this funding from these top banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, US Bank, and then they ruin it for everyone else and make it harder, just like they did with the business line of credit from Truist, But these are all of the banks. Comerica, I just had a phone call with a representative from Comerica. They are also a great bank in California, have a lot of funding opportunities for small business owners, especially for small business owners that have revenue over $1 million or 1.25. That's kind of where a lot of banks are kind of putting their focus with regard to small business owners. They really want their revenue to be well over 500,000 and really greater than $1 million, closer to 1.25 million in revenue. BMO, Mechanics, God, these are all like great banks, right? But sometimes you want to find the smaller banks that are going to have the credit products that you are looking for. You got to reach out to them. You got to do your due diligence, but you want to find about 5 banks that are going to be great options that use Experian, 5 banks that are going to be great options that use TransUnion and Equifax, right? When you're applying for all your Experian banks, lock TransUnion, lock Equifax, all right? That way they're forced to pull from Experian. And then you can do the same thing when you do the other funding sequences. But this is going to allow you to set up your funding sequence. And then you wait 6 or 12 months between funding rounds. A lot of banks are very sensitive to new accounts less than 6 months old. So that's why you always want to wait until you have allowed your accounts to age for 6 months or more, become funding ready, don't have a bunch of inquiries, no balance on all your credit cards. Like one credit card can have a balance. All the other credit cards need to be paid to zero. And we want to focus on quality banks. We don't want secured credit cards. We don't want AI builders. We don't want any of that crap. We want all of these banks that are in competition with each other. Started off with Navy Federal. They're going to kick it off. They're going to give you those high limit credit approvals, and that's going to basically open up the door for all these other banks to do the same thing and follow suit. And that's the beauty of it, right? Add a couple high limit AU accounts and really optimize for higher limits. And once you have up to 5, 6 credit cards on your personal side, you really don't need to go more than that. You don't want to have too much on the personal side. It's better just to have those solid few, 4, 6, no more than 8 credit cards, and have the longevity of the history, right? Have them all be super high limits, have them all be aged, in a perfect world. Of course, we don't live in a perfect world, but that's the goal. That is the goal. No late payments. No late payments. Make sure everything is on auto pay for the minimum amount due, because if you can continue, you will just continue to grow, right? What happens is people take on too much too quickly and they crash instead of going nice and slow and steady. But they're keeping on going. And eventually they're going to outdo Turbo over here that was trying to go too fast, doing too damn much. Okay, now trying to run off on the plug. No, stop. All right, we got to put that mentality behind us. We got to change our mindset for greatness. We got to change our mindset for growth. We got to change our mindset to think, you know what? This is just the beginning. There's so much opportunity for credit, but I got to make sure that I manage all this stuff properly, because 20K is nothing. That's a drop in the bucket for these banks, but you're going to mess it all up for that? Come on. We got to change our mindset. I used to have the same mindset. Believe me, it was hard, but we've got to change it, because now it's hard to run from our past. There's all these other data furnishing companies out there. Bad stuff can follow you. You want to do the right thing. You want to pay your obligations back as agreed, because building that solid reputation for paying as agreed is going to do nothing but get you all of the opportunities that you need in this world. Your credit report is like your adult report card, all right? Once you have a bunch of F and Ds, nobody's going to mess with you. Nobody can trust you, right? But if you show A's in every category, you've got the world at your fingertips, essentially. You got to know how to play this game, all right? Credit is a tool, and it's a very fine line that we have to walk. But that's why it's important to go slow and steady versus trying to be turbo and crashing, all right? Something breaking down. You can't stay in the race. They got to pull over. They done took on too much too quick, right? We've all seen it, and we've probably been through it ourselves. I know I have. And it was a hard lesson to learn, but the mindset's got to change for greatness and growth, all right? But this is Bank Branch Locator. You can look at different branches that are in your area. I try to find banks that offer some sort of welcome opportunity. A lot of welcome opportunities are available out there right now with these banks because they want your business, all right? So take advantage of it. I love credit unions, especially if your credit score is not over 700. A lot of these type of banks that you're seeing right here, a lot of those want 700, 720 and above. Credit unions, you can usually get away with like 670, 680, sometimes even lower, you know. But in this day and age, your credit is really important and you just got to stay on track. Even if it takes you a year or two to get there, you're going to appreciate it a lot more and you're going to want to do the right thing so you don't mess up your credit. But nonetheless, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Check out Bank Branch Locator below. I've left a link for it so you guys can go check it out and watch the other videos pinned in the description. If you need one-on-one help, just book a call. I'm there to help and discuss what would be best practices, what I would do in your situation, what I've seen others. And of course, it's for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a lawyer. I don't give legal advice. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to give you real life, you know, tactics and information and education on how to properly leverage your credit and grow and leverage it properly. I'll see you next time.